Shilpa, I nowadays hear about art as a therapy. And definitely people, they just pick up the brush, and even we do, we take up the canvas and we just start doing the things. And it is at that moment we realize that, what we cannot express and say, colors do the same.
Exactly. So, art as a therapy, or any art for matter, dance, music, anything, it calms you down. It brings you back to the present moment. Sometimes there's so much going on around you that you need that calmness. You just want to shut out the noises, and that from there, it's where the art helps.
Absolutely. And now then there is this term art therapy. Art therapy, which is something deeper, which is something strong and powerful.
So, art therapy is a very structured program. Now you are talking about something that has some structure. It is defined. You have few sessions defined in it. It is a thing that is done under a trained therapist. You cannot do it on your own. You cannot do it under any artist.
As a therapy is healing with colors and creativity, and art therapy is a therapy structured around creativity. That's what we can say?
Yes.
Alright. So while doing art as a therapy or art therapy, so basically it is not the final outcome, we can say. It is a process that we go through, the emotions that we went out, and that is what it is more important.
Anytime if we are adding final result to it, if we are looking for some outcome, it starts to add up stress, more stress. And you are doing this not to get a result out of it. You are just doing this to process something or the other, or just for the calmness. So rather than looking for a result, we should just looking at the process.
Which one is better?
It totally depends on you. It totally defines your need. Nothing is better, nothing is wrong, nothing is right.
So it's basically the moment you decide what you want at that right now, now moment.
Yes.
So that is what matters.
Exactly.
Right? So friends, we would like to hear what has been your journey. What has art been for you? Is it a courage, or is it a comfort? So do come up with your voice notes and messages and let this conversation be flowing. Thank you.